Okay, hi there, everybody. Welcome back. We are looking at another week of our activities. I hope you all had an enjoyable week off from this. But I will jump right into this. Once again, this is a supplement to this week's activity, so you'll find the link attached to the assignment. So, for this week, we're going to look more into the emotion that a photo creates. The best photographers are able to adapt to the needs of society and are creative in how they approach new challenges. One example of this is front porch portraits. Here is one example of many. I provide a link there for you so you can access that. I know this is quite common though. My wedding photographer is doing it with his friends, and a few other ones are. I'm planning on picking up a little bit of this as well to give back. So we will be having you guys practice it a bit too. So your task is to take a front porch portrait. So once again, you'll see some examples of what they look like, but it's more than just taking it. I want you reflecting on the portrait, and you are going to have to provide this reflection for me as well, but you're going to want to look at all the elements of it. So first off, why did you choose this time of day? Is it morning? Is it night? Is it sunrise, sunset, midday, high sun? Why did you choose that specific time of day? Why did you choose this distance? Are you really up close? Are you far away? What's the specific framing for it look like? Why did you dress the way you did? Why were the clothes selected? Is it meant to show something specific, or what is it showing in the fact if you're just wearing your everyday stuff right now? Who did you include and why? So who's in your photo? Why are they in the photo? But here's another part. Who did you exclude and why? So why aren't they in the photo? That could be people from the household or maybe outside of the household. Same with the first one. What emotion were you trying to show? So obviously we're talking about emotion. What emotion did you hope was coming out of your actual photo? And finally, what do you want people to know when they see this photo? So once again, everything serves a purpose. You want them to know that, hey, this is a happy, smiling family that's getting through COVID. You want them to see this is a family that's trying their best right now, maybe enjoying the comforts of life. Do you want to see a family that's missing the Rough Riders and is all dressed up and face painted? A family that loves Halloween and decided to wear costumes? Show me whatever you want. Did you want to show me just yourself and your ability to take a timing photo and that you have this confidence in yourself to be on screen? Finally, then, is your final product. As usual, you can submit it in any way, but a PowerPoint is likely the easiest. That way you can simply upload the photo and answer the questions. I've had Word documents coming in, those work as well. Whatever you want to do for it. Finally, I'll work on getting a personal example uploaded, but check back for this YouTube link, which will go over it in more detail, and I hope I did. Your outcomes down here if you want to check out more of that online, but make sure to reach out. Let me know if you do have any more questions. I'm going to be going out now that the weather's a little bit nicer and actually doing some of my photo side of this. As I see many of you, I've started having a lot more submissions now that the weather changed to plus 20 every day. So I hope you are all enjoying this. I hope this video helps you out a little bit more. I know it's a pretty brief one in relation to last week's assignment in terms of the actual explanation, but you're going to find that the actual taking of the product and organizing this and really thinking of all of those questions when you're taking it are going to take a lot more time. It's not just simply walking around and taking those pictures of what's jumping out at you, because that's easy. It jumps out at you. It's that very point. This is more about the subtleties of your composition now. So I hope you enjoy, and I'm loving the submissions from last activity. Keep them coming in. I'll be getting those graded this week for you guys. So thank you, stay tuned, and be safe. Remember, I love you all. I miss you guys. You are the best.